Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to tell you about certain phrasal verbs. Keep watching till the end, and it is very beneficial for you. I think it will help you in your exams. Abide by, it means accept or follow a decision or rule. We have to abide by what the court says. Account for, to explain. They had to account for all the money that had gone missing. Ache for, want something or someone a lot. My partner's been away for a fortnight. I am aching for her. Act on, to take action because of something like information received. The police were acting on a tip from an informer and caught the gang red-handed. Act on, affect. The medicine only acts on infected tissue. Act out, perform something with action and gestures. They acted out the story on stage. Act out, express an emotion in your behavior. Their anger is acted out in their antisocial behavior. Act up, behave badly or strangely. My computer is acting up. I think I might have a virus. Act upon, to take action because of something like information received. The police were acting upon a tip-off. Act upon, affect. The enzyme acts upon certain proteins. Add on, include in a calculation. You have to add the VAT on to the price they give. Add up, to make a mathematical total. We added up the bill to check it was correct. Add up, be a satisfactory explanation for something. She explained why the work wasn't ready, but her story doesn't add up. Add up to, have a certain result. Trains delays are getting worse, and with the high fares, it all adds up to misery for the commuters. Add up to, come to a certain amount or figure. The total cost add up to several million euros. Agree with, affect, usually used in the negative to show that something has had a negative effect, especially as it makes you feel bad. I feel terrible. That food didn't agree with my stomach. Aim at, to target. The magazine is aimed at teenagers. Aim at, intend to achieve. They are aiming at reducing cost by 10%. Allow for, include something in a plan or calculation. You should allow for delays when planning a journey. Allow of, make possible, permit. The rules don't allow of any exceptions. Angle for, try to get something indirectly by hitting or suggesting. He has been angling for an invitation, but I don't want him to come. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you learned a lot from it. Keep watching, keep listening. Bye bye.